Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. By the way, kung hindi ka pa aware, meron tayong Water Sign Philippines na channel. Just check it out, Water Sign Philippines. Ayan. So, again, this is for the sign of water sign. Take only what resonates. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Ayan, yung mga nakadisplay sa aking table. Ayan yung aking mga new products sa aking TikTok shop. You might want to check it out. Unipri. UNIPRI. Tapos, meron din kami Facebook page, Madam Space P as in Princess and then space pa sa dulo. Diyan ka rin pwede mag-inquire ng reading and also, if you want to be updated na rin sa mga pangyayari sa buhay ko, dyan ko nilalagay sa Facebook page namin. And so, if you want to follow me there, Madam Space P as in Princess and then space pa sa dulo sa Facebook para mas ma-search mo ng maayos. TikTok namin, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Okay, let's start. For the sign of water sign. Sana mag-comment ka, guys. Pwede kang makuha ang energy mo, pwedeng hindi, or pwedeng magkapalit-palit. So, bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Water sign. You do have here the temperance. Something here ang pwedeng hinihintay mo ngayon. Maybe a relationship, connection, partnership. Pwedeng you're being patient right now. Kasi pwedeng wala ka namang choice. Kailangan mo talagang maghintay. Kailangan mo maging patient. Because might be, yung iba sa inyo still hindi ka pa welcome because of another relationship. Yung iba naman could be the case is maybe may kinalaman sa money, finances. Parang ngayon hindi ka pa naman enough. No? Wala ka pa namang financial ngayon. Para gawain itong partnership na to. So you have to wait a little longer and to focus on at ito na pwedeng magbibigay pa sa'yo ng pera. Maybe career, of course. Now, with the death card, this is Scorpio energy. So, nakikita na nga natin na maybe there's something here na kailangan mo nang i-end, but kailangan mo nang hintayin pa or maghintay pa kasi hindi pa maisakatuparan itong ending na ito sa ngayon because with over the 8 of Cups. So, nakikita natin talagang future na talaga yung iniisip mo. But for now, medyo waiting stage ka pa na pwedeng meron ka ng idea or plano or gustong mangyari in the future but yet for now kailangan mo munang hintayin kung ano yung mga bagay na nagiging hadlang sa connection mo with another person. So, sino ba the person na tinutukoy dito? The person na kakonect mo. For the sign of water sign, person na kakonect mo. For the sign of water sign. Sana mabigyan kita ng guidance. Kung nabibigyan kita ng guidance, follow mo naman ako. And sana mag-comment ka dyan. Alam mo yung sa pagka-comment mo, simple comment lang. Pero hindi mo alam nakakatulong ka. Not only sa akin, kasi nai-spread mo yung ating channel, no, lumalago tayo. But also dun sa mga taong hindi pa nakaka-discover sa akin. Kasi marireach yung video na ito sa kanila the more na isi-share or the more na magko-comment or nakikipag-interact kayo dyan sa comment section. So, kahit tuldok lang, malaking bagay na yun po sa akin. So, maraming salamat. So, again, sino itong person na kakonect mo? Okay, the person that you're dealing with, you do have here the 6 of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and the 2 of Pentacles. Pwedeng itong person na to, hindi naman para sa lahat, pero yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng financially stable, diba, financially can provide or may masasabi sa buhay lalo na sa usaping pinansyal, pwedeng ganon. Or itong person na to could be very victorious, marami na siyang victory in life, and then with the 2 of Pentacles, pwedeng itong person na to is wishy-washy. Maguguluhan ka rin sa kanya. May times na ganito siya, okay siya, tapos may times na naman na parang umaatras na naman itong person na to. Either napaparamdam niya sa'yo yun or hindi. Pwedeng sa sarili niya lang. Wishy-washy talaga siya. But I can see advice coming from this person, especially financially. Na yun nga, nagiging dahilan para sa'yo para maghintay or maybe you're thinking about the future na with this person. And, yeah, some of you, the 3 of Swords is here. So, pwedeng there could be a third party na involved sa inyong dalawa. Pwedeng still in a relationship pa itong person na to or vice versa. Pero nandun yung paghahangad mo at pagkakagusto mo na dito sa kanya. So, ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na to for the sign of water sign? For the sign of water sign, take only what resonates. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito. Okay, do we the Eight of Swords for now. May mga bagay na kailangan kang pigilan, especially nga yung emotion mo. And a Hanged Man, pero nandun yung naghihintay ka. And I can see with the Knight of Pentacles, hindi ka naman din nagmamadali kasi financially may mga kailangan ka pang ayusin. And yeah, this person is someone na parang I can see na lagi siya yung nasa isip mo sa ngayon. Okay, for now, dun tayo. Person, emotions niya for you is the Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords. May mga bagay siyang gustong i-cut off. And I feel like gusto niya i-cut off kasi masyado ng toxic, masyado ng magulo. Page of Pentacles, this could be a younger person or a person na parang medyo sa inyong dalawa siya yung medyo immature, but it's fine, it's okay. I feel like with the Queen of Cups, this person is mahilig siyang magbigay talaga ng love or siya yung giver, no? Sa pagdating sa relationship or sa connection ninyong dalawa. And I feel like this person gusto niya ng ending about the past or maybe may ending na nga na nangyayari or na isa sa katuparan sa ngayon. Kasi parang there's lokohan or not being honest. Lalo na kung may connection kayo, siya may kakonect pa. I feel like hindi siya nagiging honest dun sa kakonect niya. So, ano yung future for the both of you? In the future for the both of you for the sign of water sign. Nasa pumasok sa isip ko is earth sign. It could be dealing with an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, in the near future sa inyong dalawa. Okay lang kahit hindi ha. Kung hindi ko nababanggit yung zodiac sign ng person mo, okay lang. In the near future. In the near future. You do over the Ten of Wands. The Queen, the King of Swords. Has something to do with home. I feel like there's changes with regards to home. And I feel like there's a person, no, na parang may mga, could be a person in authority na may mga gagawin siyang regarding a home or changes sa home, and you will be helping this person either financially or whatever. So yung iba I can see pagta-travel din, and I feel like development of skills ang in the near future for you. There's development pagdating sa skills, big change pagdating sa home for you. And yeah, and the person in authority in the near future, Page of Cups, the Seven of Swords, Ace of Swords, Two of Swords. I can see a decision regarding a child. I mean, wala. Some of you, ito iba-iba kasi. Makakita tayo ng pagtutulungan sa inyong dalawa na person na to. No? It would be pagtutulungan na pwedeng hindi naman ganun kabilis yung nagpangyayari, no, or yung pagtutulungan, but definitely it will make the bond stronger, mas matibay na relationship or bond sa inyong dalawa. Pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, I can see some of you, there could be options, and medyo nakakita na struggle regarding doon. But the person will be more open sa'yo. Wala nga lang siya magawa. But I feel like magiging mas open itong person na to regarding that. So, yeah. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe. That's all for now. And bye-bye.